Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create a customized window, alright, by using panel point editing function. So this will be the final result. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so firstly, just create a room, alright, build a room structure, okay. So right now, go to your cloud and then click on doors, select doors, and select opening. So we would like to create a door opening. Okay, click on the door opening and then change your elevation and your length and also your height. Alright, so as you can see right now, I already have my door opening, okay, which is a hole. Okay, next, come to your customization function, click on kitchen cabinets. Alright, and then select special panels, decorative panel. So drag the decorative panel out, okay, and over here you can resize them. So I'll be making it 2004 and the height would be 2000. Okay, and then my elevation I'll make it 400. So basically just follow the dimension and the sizing according to your door opening. Alright, and then I would like to drag it into the middle. Click on Z, and then hold Control and drag it. Make sure you hold your Control and drag it. Alright, let me push it in a little bit. Okay. Alright, so right now what am I going to do is that I would like to change the material of my window panel. So just come to your material and then click on select. So I will be changing it to a black color. So just select black color. Okay, so once you have it, so right now I would like to customize my window, okay, by using the panel point editing. So click on B, go into board selection mode by clicking on B, alright, and then right click on your window panel and select panel point editing. Right, so you will see something like that. Okay, so click on open hole. So you have a few ways to actually draw your window. Okay, so right now I'll be using the rectangle. Just click on your rectangle and then just draw. Okay, I have one. Do it another one. Third one. And then the last one. Alright, so make sure your sizing. Okay, let me make sure my size are all equal. Alright, once you're done, click on save and then just click back. So as you can see, your custom-made windows are created. Alright, so right now it's still hollow, so I would like to add a glass panel. So drag another decorative panel out. Okay, make sure resize it accordingly. So I'll put it, my width will be 1100 and my height will be 900, and my elevation I'll change it to 450. Alright, okay, and then your materials, I'll be changing it to a glass material. So click on universal material and then just go to your glass material. So select jade glass. Alright, so right now I would like to move it into the hole. Same thing, click on Z in order to drag. Okay, and then make sure you hold your control button. Hold it. Okay. Okay, make sure you drag, place it accordingly. Alright, so right now you do not have to do it one by one. What you can do is that you can click on Ctrl V to copy it. Alright, same thing, Z. Click on your control, hold your control button and drag it. Alright, copy it again, drag it down, and then drag it to the left hand side. Okay, copy one last one, drag it to the right hand side. Alright, so there you have it. Your customized window using PowerPoint editing has been created. Alright guys, happy trying.